Here's an evening on the beach, and look what Marta went out for a walk and away from the people. Repairs. They are renovating their restaurant, and so Martha went to visit them. But I follow her, see her? These are put on the forest so that vacationers can be here, but constant repairs are needed. Look here right on the shore, next to us there are such restaurants, which, in general, is very convenient. I don't use them, but it's nice that these watch ice cream, cold beer, cold drinks, shake, fruit. And fresh fruit here. The tables are so you know about such a common typical Filipino restaurant ratings right beware of the dog, but yes, there really is a dog here. Let me take March. To dissolve here and how many bottles? Here they are. We drank, but I want to show you. He has a house there on. We made a tree house. If I show you here, I'll come up. Answer, stairs. And leads which? There is such a kind of house about these dogs scared, but everything is in order. For Marta, everything is studied, then such a typical restaurant. On the shore of the ocean wildebeest afterwards. It will develop and it will be more and more, but we just watched the river Marta settled. Well, we're watching. Here you can see the house. They did it on the roof, and then too. These are the restaurants who live here. These bars, they have a lot of alcohol with alcohol. Well, we'll walk a little, we'll see. Well, on Saturdays and Sundays, everything is filled here. Today we have Wednesday. So, today is Wednesday, you see, they are carrying, cleaning the tree. With Saturday, Sunday, everything here is completely clogged. Dogs. Yes, all these dogs came running, but March is not afraid, but they, in general, are not dangerous. As far as I understand, you have been a little worried for a long time. Yes, these Martha says yes, but how do they live here? But you see, but the house is about them, and now they take advantage of the fact that they are on the beach, so yes, they made themselves a cafe with this advantage of those who live right on the shore. They can do this for themselves. These are theirs there. Motorcycles, here they live here or here. The cafe was made, let me take Marta to. Lyceum. Dogs don't have to be dangerous because there are a lot of children here. In general, it runs. Well, they're so friendly. Let's take a look at them. Here they are, in general, friendly. But I'm still a little worried, especially since, as I said in another video, I only recently started coming out in March and let me do it. I'll take the ships away from the dogs, only recently started walking with Martha. But before that, Raslin. Therefore, as if she watched like that, now I have to watch. Well, Here is our evening. A walk and another cafe. Restaurant bar watch wooden high chairs to sit, well, just pretty well done, by the way. March 5th acres. You see it, and even more so of better quality here, let's forget it. Reception. Let's go a little further. They even have, but they also have rooms. Here you can stop right away. ATMs, there are a lot of them now, we are now on Amorella Beach, Amorella, so we went down. The beach is the beach, or it is now. The beach by the Sea of Good Luck is a big enough house if you see. It's big, but it's ours. Walk for today.